I'm John Clay. I'm a nature environmental documentary filmmaker. This film is about our deep connection to the ocean, something that very often we forget, just how connected we are. I was filming a beautiful scene of a sleeping seal on the beach, and I was in there close on the detail, and I wanted to get the context. I wanted to see the beach and the ocean. And so with the high resolution ultra-wide lens, I could just flip, get that wide scene, and then get straight back into the detail. It was perfect. Filming underwater, it's really important to have an ultra-wide lens. Because of the lack of clarity in the water, it means you need to get close to your subject. But if you're filming big things, you need to get the wide perspective. With any documentary filming, you need a range of lenses. And every time you want to change your perspective, change your focal length, you're having to stop the filming and change the lens and reset. Now, the beauty of filming with the S25 was it was all there at the touch of a button. I had a lot of fun filming a little crab on the beach. I was down low with the camera inching closer and closer and closer till the crab was literally just the other side of the S25, and it obviously looked and it came over and gave me a little pinch on my finger just to see what I was, and then it carried on and went back down its hole. And that moment of intimacy was actually really beautiful, and it's just not something you'd ever get when you're kind of more distanced by all the kit you normally have. So yeah, it was a special moment. In natural history documentaries, you're often shooting sequences over multiple days, and the conditions can often change from day to day. The advantage of shooting in log is that you've got maximum flexibility to create a uniform color across all those different shots. It was really great having that feature on the S25 Ultra, because it meant I'd be filming early morning, middle of the day, very different conditions, but I just had that confidence that at the end of the day, I could get the perfect color balance across all my shots. When you're filming it, the colors look really quite muted, but then when we took that footage from the S25 Ultra and you put it through the color grade, and then you see your footage and it just sings, the colors are beautiful. That's a really magic moment actually in the filmmaking process. The intimate nature of filming with the S25 really aligned with the theme of the film, connection to the ocean. We are all part of this living earth. And the ocean, it's part of us.